Hello, I'm Veni from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to export Chrome bookmarks in PC. First, I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks in Android and later how to export those bookmarks in PC. Remember one thing, which Gmail you are using in your Android mobile, that is same mail you have to use in your PC also. Then only you can export bookmarks. Now let's get into the video. First, open your browser and select the tab which one you want to mark with star, that is bookmark. I'm selecting this one and click on those three vertical lines dots and add star, and again click on those three dots and click on bookmarks. Here you can see that the list of bookmarks. Now I'm showing how to export these bookmarks in PC. Open Chrome in your PC and click on those three dots bookmarks and again click manage bookmarks, and you see that mobile bookmarks. These bookmarks what I have added in my Android, and click on these export bookmarks and export anywhere or in your PC. Just select the location and export wherever you want. Thank you for watching. If you need more technical and gaming related information, please visit our site gossipfunda.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment below. Thank you for watching.